All right, so part 2 of posting the Scramble Derby standings. All right, so now we have 2 weeks worth. What we're going to do is we're just going to copy this. Okay, so I've copied this now. Now I have to go and put it onto the website. Again, you have to do this for both websites, okay? For Golf Arrowhead Now and for Golf Morrison Lake. So they both have to be updated with these standings. You go to Golf Arrowhead Now and you log in. Now once you're back here, you go to Content, Articles, and it'll show you this. Now we need to find Scramble Derby Leaderboard. These are all the web pages here. This is all of them on the whole thing. This is all the content here. And we're looking for Scramble Derby Leaderboard. You can alphabetize it. You can search this way. But it's easier if you just type it in here. Scramble Derby Leaderboard. Okay. So this is the one I'm looking for right now. This is okay. This is an important here. As you're watching this video, this is the one that you're going to use for this season. This is still last year's, and I'm still using this for, you know, the educational purposes and that type of thing. So right here is the one that we will be using for 2019. It'll either be this or this one. You won't see this one of these two. It'll be obvious. All right, so I go into here. I click that. One more thing to point out. This means that it's live. This means that it is not live. So therefore, this can exist, but it's not visible to the world on the internet. This one, however, is. Okay, so I'm going to update this. Okay, this is the old one. So all I have to do is click to it, and then I'm going to hit delete. Now it's gone. Now I just paste what I had, and there it is. And then I'll probably spruce this up so this looks a little better. And then let's center this. See how that's centered? Aligned center. There you go. Now I'm going to hit save. Now we're going to look. And there it is. Now the standings are updated.